It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. And on this video, we're going to make some dog biscuits. So we're going to start out with, we're going to crack the egg. I always crack it in a separate bowl to make sure no eggshells get in. Okay, we're going to add the one egg. We're going to add baking powder and the peanut butter. Oh, peanut butter, yummy. Okay. And we're going to add the honey. All right. And then the water. A little bit at a time. It starts slow so the flour doesn't go everywhere. Okay, now that I've mixed it enough, you got to get in there with your hands and get all the rest of the dough. Okay, now if it's a little too soft, you might have to add a little more flour. Alright, we're almost there. So now it should look like this, and I'm going to add some flour to roll it so it doesn't stick to the cookie cutters. I think I'm going to just take half because it's kind of awkward to roll it, the whole thing at once. So I'm going to just take a piece of it and get it in there. And I'm going to roll it fairly thick because my cookie cutters are really big. So we're going to go to here, roll it. And I like to do both. I got a dog one and a big bone one, and then we'll do the little one after. But they should look like this. Okay? And you're going to keep rolling it and do it, cutting all until all the dough is cut. There's more, another one. Okay, I've preheated the oven to 350. And I've also cut all the cookies out so they're all done, ready to put in the oven. So they're going to go in at 350 for about 17 to 19 minutes. Well, I just took them out of the oven. I'm going to let them cool down before I give the dogs a treat. And I just want to say, the longer you let them dry out, they'll last longer. And I'd like to introduce you to my big helper, my granddaughter Naya, with our two dogs. Aren't they cute? Daisy and Lacey. And now I want to show you how they enjoy these little treats. Oh, here we go. Yay! Thank you for watching. And I'd like to introduce you to my granddaughter Naya, who's a great big helper. And of course, her dog Daisy and my dog Lacey, and they're all set to eat these delicious dog bones. See how good they are? Watch this. And thanks for watching.